We finally did it!
Looks perfect, doesn't it? All that hard work.
The alignment on rib 42 appears slightly off according to the latest data.
Let me check the tolerance for the base.
Reading on the number 2 strut is stable at 4,000 psi.
Confirmed. Making the adjustment now. Finish on this is absolutely perfect. It's ready to roll out. Just checking the rear rotors now.
Green steady 150 microns.
Good. Go down the tablets. Coverage is perfect.
Verification complete on the starboard side. Green across the board. Good to proceed.
Check the alignment on the starboard side.
Looks stable. The clearance is good.
Check the load reading on the main spindle. It's holding steady at 80%. All right, let's keep the coolant flow high for the curve.
Check the alignment on section 3. This tolerance is slightly off right here.
Check the thermal readings on section 4.
Solid green. Consistency confirmed.
The alignment here looks good, right on the mark.
Confirmed. All tolerances met. We can lock it in.
Verification complete on the starboard side. Green across the board. Good to proceed.
The sequence on panel 4 is complete.
Run the diagnostic check on the alignment.
We're tight on the left side here. Confirming overhead clearance now. Yes, we are clear. It missed a spot right above the stringer.
I see it. I'll log it on the tablet for rework.
Initiating rotation to sector 4. Confirming angles as we proceed.
Angle confirmed. Stable.
Check the alignment on sector 4.
Looks good. Stress parameters nominal. Confirmed. Mount sequence complete.
Vibration levels stabilizing at 0.5.
Confirmed. Fasteners are green across the board.
Laser scan shows perfect contact.
Data confirms integrity. We are good to proceed.
The alignment on rib 42 appears slightly off according to the latest data.
Let me check the tolerance with the laser scanner.
The run out on the z-axis seems high here.
It's within tolerance according to the new parameters. Look at the sigma value.
Check the heat map on the main shaft, right there.
It's within acceptable parameters. The final analysis confirms it passed.
Clear the path on the right.
Copy that. Balance is steady.
Maintain current speed to the transfer point.
Stability indicators are green. Check the torque parameters on your end.
Confirmed. Everything looks good.
We need a slight correction. Move it 2 millimeters to the east.
Alignment confirmed. We are perfectly plumb.
Sequence complete. Rotor mast is secure.
The measurements on the clipboard indicate a slight asymmetry here.
I see it. The sensor data confirms blade 4 is off by a fraction.
Check the stress reading on the trailing edge. It's spiking.
Adjusting the laser calibration now. Levels are dropping back to nominal.
Spacing looks good on this side. Confirmed. We are clear to proceed.
The synchronization metrics are stabilizing on the auxiliary.
Acknowledged. We have a green status across the board.
Sequence logged.
The reading on sensor 4 is fluctuating slightly. Copy that.
Cross-referencing the data now. Looks stable at 98.5.
Alignment confirmed.
See that thermal fluctuation at the apex.
Running a level 3 diagnostic on cylinder 4 now. clear on the left. Bring it down 2 millimeters. Green light, secure the mount.
Did the clamps secure properly on line 4?
Yes, the sensor confirms green. We are cleared for the next segment.
We have a spike in the power flow simulation right here.
Acknowledged. Running the stabilization sequence now.
The starboard engine housing looks secure.
Confirmed on the manifest. We can sign off on the final inspection.
The uniformity looks excellent.
Agreed. The surface is perfectly prepared.
Reading steady at 150 microns.
Good. Record that on the tablet. The coverage is perfect.
The structural integrity looks optimal at point reference gamma.
Confirmed. We can finalize the report.
Alignment sequence shows green across the board.
Confirmed. The positioning is exact.
Look at the strain data here.
It's leveling off. The simulation is complete, green across the board.
The laser alignment is holding steady. Readings confirm the tolerance.
Yes, the symmetry check passes.
All systems reporting green. The scan is complete.
Excellent work. The tolerances are perfect.
We're clear to proceed with the integration.
That's the emergency path lighting engaging now.
Yes, the sequence looks stable across the cargo bay.
Check the alignment on the starboard rotor from this angle.
It appears within tolerance, but let's verify the diagnostics.
And the fluid levels on the main gear.
The finish on this is absolutely perfect. Looks ready to roll out. Great work, everyone. Just double checking the rear rotors now.
Look at this thermal fluctuation here at the joint.
The report confirms it's within tolerance. The scan looks good.
Check the pressure on the auxiliary hydraulic system right here.
Okay, I see the reading now. Let me adjust it.
Confirm the tolerances on sector gamma. Are we within parameters?
The scan confirms a perfect fit. We are clear.
The synchronization looks successful. Confirmed on my end as well. Let's finalize the report.
Ramp sequence complete. The edge is perfectly flush with the tarmac now.
Yes, the system performed flawlessly.
Check the landing gear pressure right now.
I already did. Let's look at the rear ramp seal.
The data stream confirms the alignment is perfect now.
Yes, the results are satisfactory. We can finalize the report.
Reading on the number 2 strut is stable at 4,000 psi.
Confirmed. Making the adjustment now.
We finally did it!
Looks perfect, doesn't it? All that hard work paid off.